Oh, there's one. Oh, dude, look at that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bass Wars. We're gonna do some bank fishing for some panfish, and we're gonna try to beat the rain. We got a cloudy day. It's about 80 degrees out. It's not so bad weather-wise, but we're gonna try to catch some fish. See what this lake is doing. This little pond. I think it's getting super low. It's around 2:20 in the afternoon. So let's go. All right, so here we are at the bank at Crystal Lake. Look at how low this place is. I actually thought it'd be lower. But it's raining, so I'm gonna try to catch a few fish using this micro crankbait. So let's see if we can get one to come up. That's crazy how low this place is, man. Oh, he just hit me. First cast. Oh, there's one. Oh, dude, look at that. First cast. Gotta love that. I like those first cast kind of fish. All right, first fish. That was cool. That little micro crankbait, man. Just been doing it. Oh, dude. Attacked. Crazy. Just working it on top like last time. And they hammered that thing, dude. And now I'm just gonna swim it. Let's see if we can catch a few more before we go in. Half an hour of fishing. Oh, we whacked it, dude. Oh, another whack. All right, I gotta put the camera away. You gotta try this other technique. You gotta try this little micro crankbait. I'm telling you, man, it does work. Check that out. A nice pumpkin seed. Dude, look at this little micro crankbait and I catch a nice sized bass. Look at that thing on a micro crankbait, dude. Downpouring out here and we catch a nice bass. This little guy go. That was nice, dude. Little crankbait, man, crazy. That was pretty cool. The rain kind of stopped, so maybe we can catch something. That was wild, man. Oh, just got tapped. Back to the micro crankbait. Let's see. I changed up to a different color. Oh, somebody whacked him already. Oh, God, there. Oh, dude. Did you guys see that? That was a bass, man. We're just gonna move on down and keep casting. Gotta get one more before we head in. That's the deal. Oh, come on, buddy. Just gonna throw out over here. Just a few more casts before I call it a day. All right, everybody, that is it for today's outing. We only fished for about an hour. A few bluegill, a few panfish, one nice bass, micro crankbait. Try it out. Short trip, rain, no rain. We're out there fishing, man. See you guys again. All right, guys, welcome back to Bass Wars. This is bank fishing part 2 because yesterday we were fishing for a little while and we did not do so good. So we only caught like 2 bluegill and 1 bass. and it was tough. So now we're going to Brick Lake Pond for part 2 of bank fishing. See if we can catch these little bluegill or small panfish on a top water. Actually, it's like a medium-sized deep diver. I'll show you guys, but let's see what we can do. Okay, so we got this little crankbait on like we were using the other day, Saturday, and now we're just gonna see what we can pull up. We might have to switch up on some baits, but let's see what we can do on this beautiful day. It's kind of hot out, but not too bad. It's not too bad out. Nice little breeze going on. We might be doing some bait switching. I don't know. I'm not getting too many. Too many bites on top. All right, there was a bite. Gotta figure them out, man. Oh, there he is. Oh, there we go. Got him. Oh, yeah, dude. Little bass. Took a little figuring out, but we got one. Yeah, baby. Little bass. Micro fishing with a little jerkbait, guys. Look at that, little bass. Pretty cool. Get him off. We'll let him go. Peace. All right, jerkbait. We got one. All right, we're going back to ultra finesse with the fly and the bobber. Ultra finesse, guys. It's been a while since I used it. Have to say, it's been a while. Sometimes you have to go ultra finesse. That's what we're gonna do. Try maybe a few baits. Little bite. There we go. Oh, there we go. There he is. Pulled him right out of there. Ultra finessing, baby. Ultra finesse fishing the bank during the summer. Oh, we dropped him. Hey, buddy. Free. We got one. I mean, we know the bobber and the fly is gonna work. We just do. So we're trying to use other tactics to catch them, you know? Like that crankbait. We might put another small crankbait back on. There's one. Oh, this one's crazy. Oh, it's a crappie. That was a crappie, dude. All right, cool. We had a crappie. He came up, but we had him. All right, we're gonna change up. I do want to try a trout magnet, in all honesty, dude. I want to try a trout magnet just to see if they would bite that. Because it's been a while with the trout magnet too. So let's go. Let's try that. Way I'm using a trout magnet with a super light jig head they sell, and I'm also using 4-pound test line. So let's see what we can do with that. Keep hearing something jump over here, dude. Maybe there's a fish in here, you know? Sometimes the fish are hanging in this thick stuff and you got a jig for them. Like that. And just hold it there. Sometimes they're not. Oh, there's one. There we go. Look at that. Trout magnet in his face. On the pink. Thought he was a crappie. That's cool though, man. We'll take him. Cast over here. There's one. There we go. Ooh, ooh, a perch. What? We got a perch, man. That's crazy. Who would have thought a perch at this place? Oh, okay, buddy. All right. Perch on a trap magnet. Check him out. All right, buddy. We're gonna let you go, I swear. Okay. Nice. There's a little maggot bait wacky rigged on a jig head. Let's see what happens. With no weight, just to see. Alright guys, back to the fly and the bobber. Yes sir. We are going back to the fly and bobber. Tough conditions, although we caught a few on different tactics. But, oh, there was a bite. There was another bite. Alright. Can't argue with the fly. Can't argue with that. Oh, you guys see that, dude? He creamed that thing, dude, right here. Another one. Let's go. Make a long cast out there. Oh, somebody's, you can see that bobber just slightly move. Come on, buddy. Oh! We did have a tap. All right, let's try over here. Let's try out this way. I think my bobber got messed up. I love when that happens. You know, make a good cast and, yep, look at that. Good cast way out there. Reel it in a little bit over here. Let's see. Swim in a little bit. Oh God, there he is. There we go. He killed that thing, man. That was crazy. Got him. Nice bluegill. What's up, dudes? Guys, thank you so much for watching. Bank fishing in July on Bass Wars. We caught some fish, some panfish on a variety of different lures. So go out there and do some fishing. See you guys next time.